Good morning, students. This is Singh sir. Welcomes you to our favorite YouTube channel. So, students, today we shall discuss a new chapter, Standard 5, chapter number 1, subject the introduction to verbs. So, students, let us discuss the forms of verbs. There are four main forms of verbs in English. Number 1, present. Number 2, past. Number 3, past participle means B3. Number 4, present participle means B1 plus ing form. So, students, you all are familiar with these forms of verbs. I am giving below the conjugation of some verbs of common use. What is a conjugation? Conjugation means giving the different forms of a verb. Conjugation of some verbs. Let us discuss B1, B2, B3 and B1 plus ing form. First verb, abuse. Abuse, abused, abused. Its B1 plus ing form is abusing. Then apply. B1 apply, B2 applied and B3 applied. B1 plus ing form is applying. Next comes ask. Ask, asked, asked, asking. Attend, attended, attended, attending. Beat, bet, beaten, beating. Become, became, become, becoming. Beg, begged, begged, begging. Begin, begun, begun, beginning. Bend, bent, bent, bending. Bite, bit, bitten, biting or biting. Blow, blew, blown, blowing. Burrow, burrowed, burrowed, burrowing. Break, broke, broken, breaking. Bring, brought, brought, bringing. Build, built, built, building. Burn, burnt, burnt, burning. So, these are the four forms of verbs. So, students, So many verbs are there. I have described each one in the pages of the papers. You can see it because time is very short. I am unable to discuss all the verbs. If I discuss all the verbs, then the video will be very long. Due to this short span of time, I will have to discuss the exercises. That's why briefly I am speaking about the verbs. So students, let us discuss the exercises. Conjugate the following verbs. Conjugate the following verbs. Just I told you. What is conjugation? Conjugation means giving the different forms of a verb. This is called conjugation. The first question, set 1, begin. Begin, begun, begun, beginning. Then hear, hear, heard, heard, hearing. Spend, spent, spent, spending. Break, broke, broken, breaking. Keep, kept, kept, keeping. Study, studied, studied, studying. Bring, brought, brought, bringing. Know, knew, known, knowing. Teach, taught, taught, teaching. Build, built, built, building. Meet, met, met, meeting. Throw, threw, thrown, throwing. Catch, caught, cut, catching. Say, said, said, saying. Travel, travelled, travelled, travelling. Forget, forgot, forgot, forgetting. Speak, spoke, spoken, speaking. Wave, waved, waved, weaving. Then set 2. Rewrite it using the past or V2 form of the verbs given in brackets. Question number 1. We meet our friends in the park. If we want to bring this sentence into V2 form, then we have to write, we met our friends in the park. I wait at the bus stop for half an hour. Question number 2. I wait at the bus stop for half an hour. Answer. I waited at the bus stop for half an hour. Number 3. The wind blew very hard last night. Answer. The wind blew hard last night. Number 4. We hear this speech over the radio. Number 4. We hear this speech over the radio. Answer. We heard this speech over the radio. Number 5. They sent her a letter yesterday. So the answer is they sent her a letter yesterday. Number 6. Anita lost her pen in the class. The answer, Anita lost her pen in the class. Then comes set 3. Add ing to the following verbs. Swim, swimming. Skip, skipping. Write, writing. Put, putting. Run, running. Die, dying. Begin, beginning.